So, Mark, here we are again. Bank robbery this time.
Yeah, and here you are, wasting my time again. I didn't do it.
You didn't do it? That's funny because witnesses saw someone matching your description near the bank that day. Care to explain?
Coincidence. I've got one of those faces, I guess.
You've got more than one of those faces. You've got a history. Armed robberies, breaking into vaults. Sound familiar?
That's my past. I'm clean now.
Clean? Then why did we find traces of gunpowder residue on your jacket?
I go to shooting ranges sometimes. It's not illegal, is it?
Right. And the anonymous tip we got about you being part of this crew? Just a coincidence too?
People lie. Probably someone trying to frame me.
Let's cut the act, Mark. The security footage might be blurry, but we enhanced the audio. Recognize this voice?
Not me. Sounds like half the guys I know.
Interesting, because we ran a vocal analysis. It's an 87% match to you?
87%? That's not 100% though, is it?
No, but it's close enough. And we've got more. Fingerprints on the getaway car's door handle. You didn't even bother wearing gloves.
I've never seen that car in my life.
How do you explain the banknotes we found in your apartment? Serial numbers match those.
Fine, but I want protection. Those guys don't mess around.
Stolen from the vault. Cat got your tongue? Listen, Mark, here's the deal. You cooperate, give us the rest of your crew, and maybe, just maybe, I can get the prosecutor to cut you a deal. Start talking, Mark. Who planned it, and where are they now?
I will tell you everything.
Good choice, Mark. Looks like you just saved yourself.